Simplify. Write the final answer without negative exponents. So on these type of problems, there's really a few ways you can do it, but I will show the way that I would go about this. So first, I see this negative exponent on the outside. When you have a negative exponent on the outside of a fraction, you can flip the fraction and the exponent becomes positive. So it's like we're putting the bottom on top and the top on bottom, which takes care of that negative. So it then becomes 18x y to the fourth over 9x to the negative fifth. So notice everything stays exactly the same. It just switches places, and now it's to a positive 3. Okay, next, I really would highly recommend first simplify inside the parentheses before you're distributing this exponent in. Okay, so 18 divided by 9, I'm going to get 2. X and x to the fifth. Well, that x, I'd have x to the 1, and that x to the negative fifth comes up. So it would be x to the positive 5 now, because the exponent would change from negative to positive because it's switching from the numerator or denominator to the numerator. And then we still have y to the fourth, all cubed. So nothing is in the denominator, 9 was taken care of, and so is the x to the negative fifth. Well, if we combine x to the 1 and x to the fifth, we will get 2x to the sixth, y to the fourth, still all cubed. So now at this point, I don't have anything that can be combined in the parentheses, and so this is where I would kind of distribute this cubed in. Now keep in mind, this cube needs to go to every single part. So it will be 2 cubed, we'll have x to the sixth cubed, y to the fourth cubed. So each one of these needs to get that cubed. So 2 cubed is 8, 2 times 2 times 2. X to the sixth cubed, when I have a power to a power, that means I multiply, so x to the 18th. Similar here, 4 times 3, we multiply, so y to the 12th, and that would be the final answer. Again, there are other ways to do this. This is the way that I would recommend, but especially simplify inside those parentheses before you distribute the exponent in.